So how does InsiteAI work? We deploy our hardware into a facility. The hardware measures voltage and current on a continuous basis with continuous waveform capture. Those waveforms are uploaded into our cloud. The cloud then analyzes if there are any anomalies within those waveforms, and then using our proprietary fault library, we are able to make certain determinations as to what may be failing. So examples of failure modes are bad bearings, rotor bar degradation on your motors, intermittent ground fault problems we can see and capture and alert. We can see mechanical load degradation on a number of different devices, whether it's gearboxes or fans. And we can also see immediate faults and alert to those, like single phasing or too many motor starts per hour. So the key behind Volta Insight is to do this continuous monitoring such that we're able to see anomalies and then alert on either high priority faults, which the customer needs to know about immediately, or low priority faults, which the customer can address over time.